I'd like to use this design to demonstrate the value of the Layer States tool in gCADPlus. This design has many layers. If we look over here at the mini layer tool and scroll down, it's a very long list of layers, and working with them, let's turn on all of the layers in one go. And I'll just right click and say turn the visibility of them on, and you'll see the massive layers overlaying one another, and there's clearly some irrigation scheduling going on. I don't think we'd want to save that particular layer set, but what I have done is activate this palette, and if you move to this little icon here, the Layer States Manager, it's possible to use it, and we'll just click on it now, and possible to store various combinations of those layers. So if we want to look at the irrigation layout now, clicking that will strip away any, and I just now restore it, and we go OK. We're now looking at the irrigation layer, very nicely done, irrigating all the grassed areas and what will become new planting areas. And there's a very detailed legend for rotators for irrigation, for PVC at different thicknesses and so on. So all the information there is available for a contractor to come in to install a sophisticated irrigation system based on this design. So this ability to switch using the Layer States Manager, and if we say for contractors and we restore that, can you see now we could put this diagram out to get some quotes for horticulturalists to install turf and core-10 edging and so on, and stone paving. So from one drawing, of course, you can produce lots of very useful output, and those same tools can be used in the various layout spaces, which I won't go into. I'm sure you can see the power of this to create a layer. Let's do that somewhat ridiculous test and turn them all on, and we'll OK it. Now everything comes in, and if we go there again and say we want a new one, that's for some peculiar reason we would want to rename Layer States 1, and we'll just call it All On and hit enter, and we'll close there. I'm a bit cautious about simply setting it and then jumping back in. So for contract, well, let's go back to the existing vegetation and site. So that could perhaps be better named, and we'll restore that one and OK it. And there we are. We can zoom in and out on that entire site. And if we come back here and we took that rather silly layer state set and restored it and okayed it, everything comes back on. So it's just a really efficient way in your landscape design work to manage collections of layers, and I hope that helps.